Cabinet Reviews, and if you want to know why, just smash this particular cube organizer. It's because this is shoddy construction, overpriced, and horrible materials. You can go to RTA Cabinet Reviews, where you see an online blog of 7 different cube organizers that I built, called the Ultimate Comparison Guide to Cube Organizers. I built everything myself, so I know which stuff is the best for you, which things belong in your house, and this thing does not belong in your house. This is Ryan here at RTA Cabinet Reviews. Find us on rtacabinetReviews.com.